Standing before your throne, there are no words to say, but holy, holy, holy. You are holy, Lord God Almighty. The earth is full of your glory. You are holy, Lord God Almighty. The earth, it is full of your glory. Yes, you are holy, Lord God Almighty. My life, it is full of your glory.